Hey there! Ever wanted to jump into web development with Python but didn't know where to start? Well, you're in the right place. We're about to walk through the absolute fastest, cleanest way to get your very first Django project up and running, all inside VS Code.
Okay, let's do this. I'm not kidding, we're going from a totally empty folder to a live, running development server in just a couple of minutes. No fluff, no complicated steps, just the straightest line to getting started.
All right, first things first. Every great project, and I mean every project, starts with a clean, dedicated workspace. It keeps everything neat and tidy, and trust me, it's a habit you'll thank yourself for later. So let's make one right now.
Super simple. Just go create a new folder anywhere you like on your computer. We'll call ours my_Django_project, just for fun. Then pop open VS Code, go to File, hit Open Folder, and select that shiny new directory. This is officially our project's home base.
Okay, next up is something that is absolutely non-negotiable in modern Python development, the virtual environment. Seriously, this step right here is one of the key things that separates a hobby project from a professional one.
So what the heck is it? Think of it like a protective bubble for your project. Let's say you're working on two different projects, and one needs an old version of a tool, but the other needs the brand new version. Without this bubble, they'd clash. A virtual environment keeps everything for this project completely separate and contained, so nothing ever conflicts. It's a lifesaver.
To get this bubble set up, we need to use the command line. But don't worry, it's super easy inside VS Code. Just go up to the Terminal menu at the top and click on New Terminal. Boom, it'll pop right up at the bottom.
In that new terminal, you're going to type this exact command. What we're doing is telling Python, hey, use your built-in venv module to create a virtual environment. We're naming the folder .venv. That dot at the beginning is just a common trick to make it a hidden folder, which keeps our workspace nice and clean.
So you've created the bubble, but now you have to actually step inside it. That's what activating means. Type this command, and here's the key. Watch your command prompt. As soon as you hit Enter, you should see .venv appear right at the start of the line. That's how you know you're in.
Perfect! Our isolated little sandbox is active and ready to go. Now that we're all set up professionally, it's finally time to install the main event, the Django framework itself.
And this is the magic part. Pip is Python's package installer. And because our environment is active, this one simple command does everything. It reaches out to the internet, grabs the latest version of Django, and installs it neatly right inside our little project bubble. That's it.
Now that Django's installed, we've basically unlocked a whole new set of power tools that come with it. We're going to use one of them right now to instantly generate the entire core structure, the blueprint for our website.
This is the command that does the heavy lifting. We're telling Django's admin tool to start a new project, and we're calling it myproject. Now pay close attention to that single dot at the end. It's really important. That dot tells Django to create the files right here in this folder, not inside a whole new subfolder. Keeps things tidy.
And just like that, look at your file explorer. Django created these essential files for you. You'll get to know them all, but for now, the most important one is manage.py. Think of that file as the remote control for your entire project. The others are for all your settings and URL paths.
And here we are, the moment of truth. This is the final and, honestly, the most satisfying step. All the setup is done. It's time to fire up the engine and see our new Django site, live and in person.
You're going to get very familiar with this command. All we're doing is telling Python to use that manage.py remote control we just saw to, well, run the server. It starts up a lightweight web server that's perfect for development.
After you hit Enter, your terminal will spit out this address. That is the local address for your brand new website. You can just hold down the Control key and click the link, or you can copy and paste it right into your web browser. Go on, do it now.
And that 8000 you see at the end, that's the port number. You can kind of think of it like a TV channel on your computer. Right now, your Django server is broadcasting on channel 8000. And there it is. If you're looking at that page with a little rocket ship that says, the install worked, congratulations, you did it. You have officially set up and launched your very first Django project completely from scratch. How cool is that?
So think about it. The foundation is laid. The server is running. The tools are all in place. From here, the possibilities are literally endless. The hard setup is over, and now the real creative work can finally begin. So the only question left is, what will you build?